Today is Sunday, February 22nd, 2026, and I'm going to walk you through how I pick a position trade on TSFStocks.com. TSFstocks creates forecasts of specific limit order prices for each trading day, published 1 week in advance. Historical validation shows an average of 80% probability of profitability. And all of that data, every forecast and every result, is right here on the site for you to review independently. Let's look at Oracle. This is the complete signal analysis, and we're looking at the all-forecast strategy, 85% confidence band, 5% profit target, and a 30-day cutoff. Now, the difference between a swing trade and a position trade is how long you're prepared to hold the stock. The max duration of the signal analysis table forces an exit at the market price at the end of the hold period. So the first thing to notice is the very high number of buy signals for Oracle. There were 30 signals in the fourth quarter of 2025 and 16 so far in 2026, and the win rates on these signals with the 30-day hold of the all-forecast strategy are just awful. So the first thing we'll do is we'll change the maximum duration, and we'll see if a longer hold on these positions improves the returns. So we're going to go from 30 days to 60 days, and notice how the numbers change. With a 60-day hold, we went from a 37.5% win rate so far in 2026 to a 100% win rate, with 3 closed positions and 13 open positions. Now, to understand what's happening with Oracle, we need to look at the chart. The gray zone is the map of normal. It shows the expected range for this stock. The lower band prices are the forecasted limit order entry prices. Now, over the past 6 weeks, Oracle's price has been trending down, which means that the buy signals, lots of them, are not bouncing back to that 5% profit target as quickly as we might expect. Now, if you see these red dots, each one of these marks a day when the stock's actual low dropped below the forecasted entry price, and that triggered a buy. Now, this is today, or rather the Friday of last week, so it's Friday, February 20th, and there was a buy on Friday, February 20th. New position opened. These are the forecasted limit order prices for the coming week. Now, remember, the stock may not trigger entries at these prices, but if the actual low price of the stock continues to drop, it's likely that there are going to be a lot of buy signals firing next week. Now, the real power here is comparing forecast strategies to find the one performing best for this stock right now. I have a side-by-side view open. When we switch to a different forecast model, notice how the map of normal changes. These are completely different forecast shape with completely different entry prices. Now, the A0 model has fewer buy signals. There's only 7 in 2026 instead of 16, but they've got much better returns, at least in 2026. If we look at the fourth quarter of 2025, it was still a disaster. There was only a 10% win rate on those 20 buy signals. The A3 model gives the same returns in 2026, 100% win rate and a 25% return so far. Now, the combined strategies layer multiple forecast models together to maximize your entry opportunities. However, none of these signals match the returns of the A3 signal. So my recommendation would be the A3 signal for Oracle. And be prepared to hang on to any open positions for 60 to 90 days to be able to lock in a profit, because as we can see, Oracle is trending down. Here's how to trade on it. I'm clicking Add to Watch List. And once it's there, you can click here to add it to your subscription. Every Sunday, you'll get updated limit order prices for the full trading week, a specific price for each day. If the stock drops to that price on Monday, that's your buy. Tuesday, Wednesday, the same thing. These are your entry signals, and they carry an excellent chance of reaching a 5% profit. You can subscribe for up to 50 tickers. Each one gets the same weekly forecast with daily limit order prices based on your selected strategy and confidence band. Subscriptions are for individual non-commercial research use only. And the 14-day free trial gives you forecasted limit order prices for any 10 tickers you choose. Pick your stocks, see the signals, and verify the results yourself. As always, past performance does not guarantee future results. Remember to like and subscribe to get the latest stock picks from TSFStocks.com.